Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be having a look at the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K with Android TV. So I got this off eBay for £30. They also sent me a Samsung like fast charger. It's a 15 watt plug I think, as this comes with a European power adapter. So it's the Xiaomi TV Stick with the Bluetooth voice remote and the power adapter. Now I have a smart TV anyway, it's a Roku TV. But the remote, because it's a TV, because it's built into the TV, the remote is an IR remote, unlike the Roku sticks, which are Bluetooth remotes, which means you have to point it directly at the TV. And I have a soundbar which covers up the IR sensor, which means sometimes if you're sat in bed, the remote doesn't really work. So I thought this would be good. And my Fire Stick I have is getting too old, it's slow, it doesn't have enough storage. So this will be good when I go on holidays as well, as I can just take this out my TV and it'll be the same. So this was off eBay for £30. Take that off. So if we open up the box, oh, I've just knocked the camera, as you can see, or I've knocked it again. We have the remote. Now the remote's bigger than I thought it would be, to be honest, but that's alright. We've got a Netflix button and a Prime Video button, TV on and off button, and the volume for the TV. So no batteries with it. So also in the box, we pull this bit out. So we have the Xiaomi stick itself. So one thing I have noticed now, oh no it does, never mind. So it's micro USB, which is quite odd. I don't know where the port is. Yeah, it's micro USB. I thought this might have USB-C, to be honest. But yeah, I didn't see this, but it's good that it comes with it. It's a little HDMI extender cable, as that would be too big to plug into the side of my TV. And the only one of these I have came with my Fire Stick, which is not 4K, so I wouldn't have been able to get a 4K. But yes, it comes with one, which is good. And it comes with the EU power adapter, which obviously I won't use. But they gave me this one, which is pretty good. But yeah, it's just USB. I wonder how many watts it is. See, this is only 5 watts. It's a bit odd they gave me a 15 watt plug to use with it. But yeah, and then it also came with some instructions, which you won't be using. Now this was second hand, so I'm hoping, I don't really need this cable for now either. I've got another one. So I'm hoping that it doesn't come already set up. So it did not come set up, which is good. It's on there, so I'll have to find English United Kingdom region. United Kingdom, quickly set up your TV with your Android phone. Yes, we'll, oh no, go back. Oh no. Yes, we'll do that. Set up my device.
Okay.
See how quick this is. Oh yeah. Where next? Yes, we'll have it on that one. So it's now saying it's connected. It's now connected to my Wi-Fi. So what we're now going to do is set up the volume control. So point out there. Oh. Yep, no. I'm using a sound bar, but it's connected to the TV through aux. So, you know, all the controls go through the TV. This just outputs the sound, so it's just my TV. We'll turn that on though. TV. Hisense. 1 out of 76. Oh no, yes it is. Yes. Now it should turn it off as well. Yes, it does. But will it turn it back on? And yes, it will. Except that I need to change my settings. Oh, switching. Oh, it says Fire TV as that's what I had on there before. Obviously now this will show up the Xiaomi stick, and yes it will. So I'll get back once I've used it for a bit. So it's been quite a while since I unboxed this, and yeah, it's been pretty good. I'm no longer using it on a 4K TV. It is now on a 1080p TV as my TV broke. But yeah, it can be a bit laggy. And what I did was I downgraded the software. So it's an older one. It's a bit faster. But to be honest, my biggest complaint was that you can't get BBC iPlayer on this. It's some sort of licensing problem. So what I had to do was actually sideload it. It does work, but my biggest point is you shouldn't have to do that. You should just be able to get it on there. Then my second biggest complaint is this button. I don't use this. I don't need it, and see, look, it just crashed anyway. So yeah, it's just like a Fire Stick that runs the Android software. So it's very similar. It works pretty good for the price, to be fair. But yeah, there's less ads on it than there is a Fire Stick, because that's one thing that really winds up about that. So yeah, we've got Netflix and like recommendations from the apps, but nothing like big flashing at you like the Fire Stick, apart from this at the top. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys come back for the next one.